Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is June 24th, 2023. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at how to make millions with SPX credit spreads. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, we got SPY chart right here. Look what's going on here. It's showing some weakness as you can see here. So we got last 5 days, 4 days we had weakness. Market is coming down as you can see here. And as you look through broader market here, as you look through the fear greed index from CNN, look what's going on here. We got CNN fear greed index here. We are right now in the greed mode. Look, we are almost close to the extreme greed mode here. So last week we were at extreme greed. Previous close was extreme greed again. Now we are in the greed mode. So I can see us coming down slightly, maybe to 50 levels, to the neutral level as we go forward. Next week you got Fed Chairman Powell speaking. So market will listen. There could be some chance that market might come down. So we got to be careful here. So with that, let's jump in here to thinkorswim platform. One of my favorite feature within the thinkorswim is option scanner. As you can see here, I got SPX here. So I typically create a watch list just with the SPX. Look, we got watch list right here. I got my SPX watch list. If I go here, look, we got index SPX. In this watch list, all I have is SPX as you can see here. So I use this for option scanner. I go into my option scanner here and look, I'm basically saying I want expiration days to expiration, 20 days to 80 days, and option type. Right now I have call here. I do call and put both. And look, open interest, I put 15,000 as you can see here. And we got everything else is empty as you can see here. So important thing to notice here, now we got call as you can see here. Look, somebody's buying a lot of these call options, looks like at 5,000, hoping to make money. Look at the open interest here, 61,000 open interest, and they're just paying 0.75, almost 75, almost 7 cents as you can see here. So they're putting a lot of, they're not putting too much money here, but look, there's a lot of contracts traded here. Somebody's hoping market will shoot higher and they can make a lot of money here. And then we got a few more things here. Look, 44500, 4,500. There's a good amount of open interest here. And look, we got one more right here, 30,000 at 4400. Folks are betting market might go above this level. There's a lot of money here also. So let's now jump into the put side of the house. That's where you could make some good money here, because mainly SPX overall there is a positive drift, as many of you know here. That's why it's more beneficial to trade on the put side of the house. Let's go in here. For the put, I would say change it to 20,000. So that way you don't get too many put contracts here. You need to look at high open interest levels. That's why open interest, you could say 20,000 on the put side of the house. Let's go in and scan here. Look, we got a lot of options here. So you got to pay attention to open interest here mainly. Okay, we got open interest right here. And look at the highest open interest. As you scan through here, we got 4,000. Looks like it's a good level here. There's a lot of open interest at 4,000 as you can see here. And there is also volume. On Friday, we got 2,600 contract traded. This is a good level. But look, delta is 0.05, so you can't make too much money here. That's why I would probably look into delta 16 or 15. Look, we got 4200. 4200 is a very good level. As you can see here, 35,000 contract traded. And look at that volume perspective, 3,243. a lot of volume traded here. And then as you scan through here, you've got a few more levels. As you can see here, you got 31,000. Keep watch on open interest here. Look, 5,000 looks like people are buying put options here. At 5,000, we got some healthy volume here. But if you're selling credit spreads, I would not go there. I would look at delta 14, 15, 16 around that range here and go from there. Look, if you want to open up a little bit higher time frame here, look, we got 818, 818, 4200 here. That's a 23 delta, as you can see here. That's also a good one here. So what we'll do is we'll look at these levels here and open up some trades and go from there. All right, let's jump in here and go to trade tab. Before we go to trade tab, charts. So what I've done is really I've looked at these levels. Look, I got 4200 here. Look, we got 42. Let's see here. 4200 is a good level right here. I got 4200. You got high put open interest here. And then you got one more level here, which is 4,000. I think there's also good open interest here. So for this video, let's take a look at 4200. Market is coming down, as you can see here. Look, market is trying to come down. So at this time, we'll make our short put strike at 4200, and we'll basically open up the trade for 7/21 expiration date. So let's jump in here to trade tab here and go into 7/21. So we are right here, July 23rd. And our short strike we could put at 4200. Let's go all the way down here. And look, we got 4200 right here. That could be our short strike. And look, we got nice and high open interest, as you can see here. We got good open interest at, let's see here, 35,000 open interest and healthy volume. So you don't need to worry too much. There is not too much slippage here. So 4200, I will basically select credit spread here. 4200 vertical. And I would make it a $25 wide here. Let's do 4175 is where you'll buy back here. So let's go here, 4175. There you go, $25 wide, and you're getting a good $240 here. That's a good credit here. And we could just quickly analyze this trade. Let's go here and analyze the trade. All right, so let's remove all these things here and go into our last one here, credit spread. Let's go here. There we go. And we'll go in here and set the slice to break even and 721, and we'll go up here and make this 722, which is the day after the expiration. There you go. Look, nice and healthy break-even percentage here. 83% is break-even percentage. Basically we'll make money. Chance of break-even is 83.97%. That's a great percentage here. And for the folks who may not have this here, we could go into optionstrat and go into the optionstrat platform, and you could go here and build bull put spread here. Look, what we'll do is we are already in July 21st. There you go, 27 days out. And let's go to SPX. There you go. And our short strike is 4200 right here. And our we are buying back at 4175 right there. Look, $245. That's great. And margin is 2500. This is your buying power reduction. Probably your buying power reduction will be 2255 because they're bringing in credit here, which is 245. And as you can see here, we can make it a little bit nice to see here by pulling this here. Look, as long as SPX is above break-even point here, right here, 4197, you will break even. That's our break-even point, as you can see here. And I think it's a very good trade. You could take this trade and go from there. And look, we also went back here to our scan tab here. As we scan through here, look, we got 4200 in 818. There is a healthy open interest, as you can see here. Nice and high open interest. You could consider that one also. Let's go back here, open a trade for that too here. Let me go back here. I can delete this here, or I could even look if I confirm and send here. Look, we could do that here. We could get some good money here. So let's do one thing. Let's go into the next expiration cycle here and look at 818 right here. 818, we could do same thing here. This is 54 days out, as you can see here. We could do the same thing here. Go to 4200. There you go, 4200. Look, there's a delta 23 here. Look at nice open interest, which is 23,000. Nice volume. You could play the same thing here and sell a great spread here. There you go. So we got 4200, 4175 right here, $25 wide spread here. Look, 4175 here, right here. Look, there is a good open interest, good volume. Not as much as our short strike, but still pretty healthy. So you could look here, getting a little more money here, $360. And we can analyze this trade also here. Let's go here and analyze trade. And let's go all the way down here. Let's remove the first one. And look, we got here, let's change this date here to 818 means 819. And we could do break even here. Let's slice to break even, 818. Look, there's a nice and very good chance of break even here. Chance of profitability is 77%. That's a great one here. For the folks who may not have Thinkorswim platform, you could go into this platform right here, optionstrat, which is a very good tool. I recommend you to look at this one here. So we could change from July 21st to August 18 just by clicking here. And same strike, we are selling 4200 and buying back 4175. Look, we're getting a $360 credit here. And look, max loss is 2140. That's also your buying power reduction here. And look, chance of profitability is good, 77%. You could basically confirm and send this and go from there. So with that, I will end it here. Thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.